Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Back to School Week video. Today I have a really fun box card for you. This is my graduation fox box card. How adorable is this design? I love this little fox here. He's got his cute little graduation cap on. There is some fun books and school supplies there in the background. It folds nice and flat for mailing. There's a big spot on the back for your message. And of course I included envelope as well. This one is really fun to give to kindergartners who are graduating, maybe someone who's graduating the 5th grade. Just a really cute kids themed graduation card. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Back to School Week 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the download button on the event page. If you're watching this after the event has finished, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or if you're interested in all event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, and bonus cut files, make sure to check out the VIP Access Pass. Links for both of these options will be in the video description below. No matter how you download the file, make sure to download the zip file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we'll be ready to open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top score line. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score lines of the outside box piece. There we go. I'm going to set that to the side for just a few minutes. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel.
What is that? Glue? Is that glue?
Yep, it's glue.
I like glue.
My son is now in the craft room with me, so if you hear him in the background, he is watching me craft with everybody. Now let's grab the outside box piece and we're going to attach the messaging panel to the back. And now we can set that to the side. Let's take our inside tab piece. It is only one layer for this card, so we're going to want to fold and burnish the tabs. And we can set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these together, but from back to front, you're going to start with purple, orange, white, yellow, this grayish blue, and then dark blue. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I layer everything together, and I will show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our cute front cover panel. Let's set that to the side for just a minute. We can grab our outside box piece and our inside tab piece. I'm going to add glue to this left tab and then attach it to the left side here on the outside box piece. Making sure to line up the edges. Add glue to this right tab and fold the box piece over. Just like that. Fold the card down and add glue to this left front tab. Take our front cover panel and attach the left side. Again, make sure to line up the bottom edges. And then repeat the same thing for the right side. And there is our card. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take the inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this one adorable to make? Like I said, I really love that little fox. He's really, really cute. If you're interested in more graduation files, we just recently wrapped up a graduation week with all kinds of different files for graduations. I'll link the playlist down below as well as right here. I hope that you like this one. If you make it, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Back to School Week video. Bye-bye.